Welcome to the how-to video on the application of the Dryflex Super Finish. Please consider the safety information when using our products. Dispense the resin with the EasyQ dosing gun. Mix the Dryflex to an even colour and then spread the resin as flat as possible on the mixing plate. Fill with small amounts. Remove the amine layer from the epoxy by sanding the repair for a good adhesion of the paint system. Take into account any factors that may delay the curing of the epoxy repair. Good luck with your repair.